Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro features without the budget. So if you want those amazing CapCut Pro features without paying a cent, in the step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can unlock premium effects, transitions, and more totally free, and let's just get into it. So CapCut Pro gives you access to exclusive transition, fonts, and export options. But did you know you can still use many of them without upgrading? So first, what you need to do is just use effects before export. So I'm going to just open a new project in here. So here, this is my project, and let's say I want to use a Pro effects. Let's say this comic dash effects in here on my clip. Okay, this is a pro features, as you guys can see here. So even if you're not subscribed, you can still preview and apply mass pro effects like this. And the trick is to use screen recording if export adds a watermark, or export during CapCut's free trial windows. You can just go full screen and then just record your screen, so you'll have that special effects on your clip. And next, you can also just use the CapCut PC like here, because CapCut Desktop has many pro level tools that's it's already unlocked, especially transition, keyframe controls, and templates. And you can even recreate pro looks using a mix of free tools. You can combine keyframes and effects manually. You can use custom overlays from external sources or add your own fonts or audio. Or you can also just use the invite friends options in CapCut, this one. So you'll get a free pro for days, as you guys can see here. And if you want to remove the watermark from CapCut, you can just crop it out or use a blur overlay or add your own logo on top. And that's how you can use CapCut Pro features without spending a cent. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!